Welcome to the house that never sleeps.
Alright folks, what'd say? We're working on this Les Paul again tonight, and it's not to be mistaken for a Gibson. It's a Chibson Les Paul, but it's going to play and perform and sound like a Gibson when I'm done with it. So let's just get right to it, baby. I'm going to get you and bring you over here, and I'm going to show you the steps I got to go through. I'm not going to fix it like I originally had intended. I've been looking at it real close and thinking of some other ideas. Let me just get you and bring over here and show you and tell you why. Hold on. Okay, you saw how this back side of this hole here, I could shove it down and you can see with the broken wood inside of there, okay? I'm going to try to get thin viscosity CA glue. I'm going to stand the guitar up, stand it up and down, and try to put thin CA glue in that and hold it up and down so it'll run back in there as far as I can get it to go. But first, I'm going to take some of this very expensive tape that 3M says nothing will stick to, and I'm going to tape across these cracks right here because we don't want that thin glue running out and down the finish. It could still happen, but hopefully that won't happen. And they say nothing will stick to that tape, so I'm going to take the tape and just run it across these cracks. Might have to put a couple layers across there. And I'm also going to build up a tiny little lip right here with the tape, you know, just kind of like so, to keep any glue from running out of the hole and down on the finish. Alright, you're with me so far. Once I have achieved that, I'm going to take, that's alright for demonstration, take that's wax paper and a piece of leather. And then I'm going to take this block of wood and put it right in the center of all that. You with me? Alright, then I'm going to use this band clamp. I've already got it kind of wrapped around the guitar. You can see there. And bring it up here like so. Tighten it up, and as I tighten it up, it's going to push down very hard on this area right here. I thought I had a C-clamp deep enough, you know, that would reach over this entire thing right here. And you know, put leather on the back and leather up here and just C-clamp it. But I don't have a clamp with that deep a throat. Oh wow, a deep throat clamp. That's what I need. Anyways, that's the way I got to do it. So let me get set up here and we'll get right into the thing. Oh yeah, and I'm only going to glue this back portion back here. Now granted, it's cracked up here too, but I don't want that glue sets up pretty quick, you know. I just want to get it in there and get this clamped up, and then you know, once the glue sets up, maybe tomorrow, it wouldn't even take that long, but I'll wait till tomorrow. Then I'll flip the guitar upside down and do the very same process, you know, put tape across this crack. I doubt you can see it without the macro lens. Well, maybe you can. It's a pretty good crack there, yeah. Yeah, you can see it. The one on your left I'm talking about. Turn the guitar upside down. Drop CA, tape it up, just same thing. I got to clean that off, make sure the tape will stick good first. But it'll be the same thing, it's just with the guitar upside down. But I'm only going to bring you through the one here, so let's get started. That's ACs in the background, by the way. Very, very hot here. I don't know how it is where you live, but my Lord, it's been hot here. It works great for cutting that tape. See, I'm just going to build a little bit of a wall up right there. And I don't want to shove that down on there tight and shove the thing down in. You know what I mean? I want the cut that off. I want the force of the what am I trying to say here? This thing, the band clamp to do it down. I think that did cover. Yeah, it did. That's perfect, man. That is perfect. That's all I need, just that one piece. And I left it stick up. See, and then I'm gonna, after I get that on there, like I said, I'm gonna put wax paper over it, piece of leather over it. I'll turn the block this way, and then wrap this around the guitar like so, and crank it down. And crank it tight. And these straps won't hurt the finish, man. I've got this, I keep calling it a jack. It's a band clamp. It came with corners that you can put on, but I never use those. I have never used them. And it's never left any marks on any finish or anything. I've never had any trouble with that. Hopefully I never do. Alright, hold on. I got to rig up some way to stand the guitar up and down. So I'll bring you back after I figure that out. So just to explain this a little bit better, you see how I got the guitar stood up there. I just got a guitar stand up on the bench. Actually got the guitar in it. Stands it up, got my tape across the cracks. There's still, I know there's got some glue that goes everywhere, man. I know it's going to get in there a little bit. But maybe we can use the semi-chrome polish, or might have to use sandpaper or whatever, and, you know, touch up the finish a little bit there. But this tape is going to keep it, it's going to be a lot less chance of it doing that, I think. And I don't know how much of this I'm going to be able to show you, because I don't know what views I'm going to be able to get you, because as soon as I get the glue in, got to take the guitar off the stand, get rid of the stand, get it on the bench, and get it through this loop. If you can see that loop, yeah. Get it through that loop, take it off the stand, get it through the loop, and then get all the stuff on it and clamp it. And like I say, that glue sets up fairly quick, so, you know, I'm not going to be able to stop at any point once I start gluing and move the camera around. So I'm going to figure out now what angles I can get you. Hold on. If I can talk. Well, let's do it. Need more light back here on this rear side. Wow. It's applying pressure on something like that, man. It'll shake worse sometimes. Alright, get rid of this. I hope you can see, folks. Try to zoom you out. Okay. I'm going to move kind of fast on this. Yeah, didn't even get any on the finish. That looks good. That right over the whole block. He's getting tight, bud. It is tight. Very much tight. Alright, let me clean this glue up. And I'll bring you back for more. Hold on. Here's what she looks like up close. I got a lot of glue in there too. Man, see how if you look straight down the guitar, this hole is offset a little bit farther that way than this is. So if you look at this one straight ahead, you can see I set the block a little farther that way. So it's on there, it's on the crack, and it's tight, man. I mean, it is tight city. I'll leave that. I'm going to leave it a few hours anyway, and I'll just do the very same process, turn the guitar upside down, and do the very same process on the other side. It should be okay. The guitar's going to be stage ready and rock again. Hold on. Yeah, I got a lot of glue in there, man. I'm spreading it off. Now, the whole bottom half of that circle, the way I had the guitar stood up here, I don't know if I got it on camera. I won't know until I get this on the computer, but that whole bottom, I covered the whole bottom of it in case there's any cracks anywhere else. That shit's going to run everywhere, man. It'll get in it, you know, every crack, every place. It didn't run through the tape. That was successful. That was successful there, so that was good. That tape idea was a good idea. This is good stuff, man. I don't know what I did with it, but it's 3M tape. I think it's called vinyl, 3M vinyl tape. And they say nothing will stick to it. Now, hopefully, when I take that tape off, it'll come off in there, because it's being pressed on there now. I mean, tight with that clamp on it. And anyways, that's it. I guess I'll turn it upside down and do the other side of that hole. And I'm going to check it closer. I had my visors on earlier. I didn't do that on camera. But I put these visors on. And I got down there and looked really close and was shoving that in. And I could see 2 or 3 places there, you know, wood was moving. So I did get glue everywhere. I mean, it went down in every crack that I could see moving. I wish I could get a close-up of that, man. If y'all could just see how that wood cracks, absorbs that glue just like a sponge. I mean, it just runs in. It'll go places water won't even go. It's that thin. Anyways, I guess after that, probably next video, I'm not going to do this other side of the hole one video. So probably next video we see, we'll do the frets on it. We've got to level those frets and another fret job. And, you know, I'm not too crazy. Well, I'm plenty crazy. But I'm not too crazy about doing fret jobs. And I got a guitar, a Martin HD28 Tomiski guitar. It needs fret dressing done on it. And you just watched me do one not long ago, and I've done 1 or 2 since then off camera. And now this. But next time we'll put the frets on, do the frets, I think. I'm just thinking out loud here now. Probably we'll level the frets, dress them, crown them, polish them, and all that crap. It takes forever. Do that, and then we'll start putting pickups in or keys on, and locks and wire this sucker up. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers to you. Y'all come back now, you hear?